Okay, quick demo video on how to fit our Solo Bentley. Our Solo meaning the seat with the grill in, which does have an air scoop cutout. So what you want to do, place the two M6s in the front and then just place the M8s in the back. You'll have a nut and a washer. I'm just using these for speed. These nuts with a flange on. So you want to just finger tight, do these up finger tight, just like so. And then again for speed, I'm just using a longer nut on the rear. You can if you want to. I don't supply them anymore because people were putting them on and then not putting Loctite on and ringing me up saying they're falling down the loop. So what you want to do is you want to just nip that up at the back. Just all you're doing. You're not over tightening it. You're not tightening it down. Come to the front here. You'll see these lugs, these rubber lugs here, are located into the actual divots on the loop, frame loop. So just for speed again, I'm just gonna. So what you want to be doing is you want to be putting your fingers on this piping on the front here, because what you don't want to do, if I can explain it, you don't not. So that's this fascia plate. You don't want to be tightening it so that this plate goes like that. Okay, it can be done, but you don't want to do that. So what you do is you put your fingers at the top here, pull that down. It's not moving. Pull that down. It's not moving. Okay, make sure that's not moving. Right, that's tightened up. So we can now tighten the rear ones up. So you're just doing it bit by bit, really, rather than just wrenching the ones that are down at the front or the back. This seat does not fit like that. So what you're also looking for is you're looking for a gap around the edge here, gap around the back, and that's sitting nice and tidy on there. It just sits on these two rubbers here. But yeah, so there's your seat. That's a Solo Bentley fitted. Exactly the same process for the dual.